Chapter 1. Introduction to 3NF. Ever found yourself tangled in the web of data redundancy and inconsistency in databases? You're not alone. Today, we delve into a solution that addresses this issue, the third normal form, or 3NF. 3NF is a schema design approach for relational databases. It's an elegant way to reduce the duplication of data and ensure referential integrity. But what does this mean? Well, in essence, it ensures that every non-key attribute, that is, every piece of data in a table that isn't the primary key, is not only functionally dependent on the primary key, but is also directly dependent on it and nothing else. Chapter 2. Conditions for achieving 3NF. So let's break it down. To achieve 3NF, your database table should meet a few conditions. First, it should already be in second normal form, or 2NF. This means that your table is free of partial dependencies. In other words, every non-key attribute is fully functionally dependent on the primary key. Second, all the non-key attributes, those pieces of data in your table that aren't the primary key, must be fully functionally dependent on the primary key. This means that the value of each non-key attribute must be uniquely determined by the primary key. Finally, there should be no transitive dependencies in your table. A transitive dependency occurs when a non-key attribute depends on another non-key attribute. In 3NF, this is a big no-no. Every column should relate directly to the primary key and not through another column. Chapter 3. Practical example and benefits of 3NF. Let's consider a practical example. Suppose we have a table with student information. We're storing the student's ID, name, state, and the state's country. Here, the country is transitively dependent on the student ID through the state. But in a 3NF format, we'd split this into two tables, one with the student ID, name, and state, and another linking states to countries. By doing this, we sidestep redundancy and potential inconsistencies in our data. To wrap things up, 3NF offers a structured way to organize your database tables. It ensures that each piece of information is stored just once, eliminating data redundancy. It also ensures that every column relates directly to the primary key, not through another column, thereby avoiding data inconsistencies. So the next time you find yourself wrestling with data redundancy or inconsistency, remember the principles of 3NF. It might just be the solution you need to streamline your database and ensure the accuracy and integrity of your data.